Welcome, 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 welcome. What I'm about to share with you right now is just pure gold, pure gold. And I just want to encourage you, don't treat it like it's gravel, okay? Don't treat it like it's gravel. You're going to want to grab hold of this one and you want to take this one to the bank, okay? Lots of This is my intake to income training. And this segment, I'm calling it Get Clients First. Get Clients First. But the training today is called Conversational Cash. Conversational Cash. How to talk to people and get them to almost beg you to take their money. Okay? Get them. I remember Jamie Brown. Jamie, one of my clients, he said, Dr. Fred, take my money. Take this money. I had helped this man. I had worked with him, and he was like, take this money. I'll always remember that. All right. I want to get started. Here's the biggest challenge that most people have when building a business. They don't have clients. And if you don't have clients, you're not going to build a business. If you don't have clients, you're going to be sucking air. If you don't have clients, you're going to be struggling. If you don't have clients, you're going to be just like out here bad, okay? And we want to fix that problem. All right, let's get started. All right, so welcome to the life-changing training, Conversational Cash. I'm Dr. Fred Jones, the world's only worthologist. For more than a decade, I've helped authors and coaches and creative turn their story into a six-figure system. This works because people want to know you can help them. But let me be clear. People pay people they trust. You follow me? People pay people they trust. This is not about having all the tech or a $20,000 funnel. This is about knowing how to talk to people, real people. And when you do that, well, they will literally say, can I work with you? That's what you want right there. Now, you see that? Read that real close now. Read that. Okay. They can say, can I work with you? Notice, can I work with you? Okay, you ain't begging them. They asking, can I work with you? Okay, now, here's what I want you to do. Number one, affirm, believe, and care. That's all people want to know. Do you believe in me? Can I trust you? And can you help me? That's basically all people want to know. Can you help me? All right. Before they ever pay you, they must feel you. They must be affirmed by you that you believe in them and that you care. That's what people want to know. They got to know that. Step one. Number two, I'm going to be showing you the 6-week model. Here's how you build your business while building your portfolio. And I'm going to show you this model. I want you to find 12 women. Notice I said find them. You're going to pick them. And they're going to be people that going to want to work with you, want to be with you. And you're going to make it very attractive. You're going to interview them on Zoom. You're going to publish their videos, turn them into ebooks, and then use their stories as marketing and invite the audience into the next level. That's how you create a client. You're going to create some clients. That's so strong right there. That's just strong. That's strong. Step 3, teach, train, and transform. This isn't just the project. This is the start of your system. You're teaching while you market. You're creating transformation while you train. That's the key right there. Some people will never pay until they see how you serve other people. That's important now. Some people will never say yes until they see someone else thank you. That's what this model is all about. That's what this model creates. When they see all these people saying, thank you, coach, thank you, you did this, thank you, then they're going to be like, can I be next? Can I be a part of that? You don't need more excuses. You need exposure, okay? You don't need to wait for clients. You need to create them. Now, I want you to put a pencil around that. Create the clients, okay? Some people sit around here and they tell me, I don't have no clients. You need to create some. And if you're inside my intake to income community, then I want you to take this plan, work it, and watch what happens. Okay, I'm Dr. Fred Jones. Now let's jump right on into the training. I'm going on in a little deeper here now. All right, here's the training. Conversational cash. What I found out is that a lot of people just don't know how to talk to people. You got to talk to people in a special way. People got to feel that you care. They got to feel that you value them. They got to feel that, okay? How to talk to people and get them to beg you to take their money, all right? Why this training matters. You don't need a funnel. You need a conversation. The education is in the conversation. One more time. The education is in the conversation. You're going to get educated as for what they want, what they are desiring, what they are after. You're going to get educated in the conversation. You don't need a perfect website. You need a connection. Remember, connect, coach, and close. Connect, coach, and close. Before you build a course, build a community. Woo, did you hear what I said? Build a community, all right? Number 3, affirm them. Most people have never had anybody to listen to them, hear them, and say, you all right. It ain't your fault. You good. Most folk ain't never had that. My friend, if you will do this as a coach, you will get clients first. Affirm them. Believe in them. Believe big in them. And when I say big, I'm talking built in God. I'm saying believe in God. I'm saying book in God, brand in God, business in God. Believe in them. Believe that they got a book. Believe that they got a brand. Believe that they are a business. Believe that they are a coach or a consultant or a speaker. You need to tell them that. All right. That's the key right there, the ABCs. Affirm them, accept them, acknowledge, accept, acknowledge, affirm. Acknowledge you got something there. Believe in them and then care for them. How you going to care? Just pray for them, love on them, believe in them, listen to them. All right. Got it? All right. That's number 3. Number 4. Here's the way this is going to work. The engagement funnel. This is what you want to call it, the engagement funnel. And notice, this is called story. You're going to listen to their story, and you're going to hear their system, their struggles, and you're going to see how their story solves somebody else's problems. You see that right there? That's the S. T, you're going to see how their story can be taught, how their story can train others, and how their story can transform. Teach, train, and transform. This is what you're going to be doing with them 12 people you got. Overcome, offer, and outcome. You're going to show them how what they have overcome can be put into an offer that's going to help somebody else get an outcome. Did you see what I just said? You're going to show, when you're listening to these people's story, you're going to show them how what they have overcome, they can offer it to others and help them get an outcome. Okay? Relate, respond, result. You're going to relate to them. You're going to respond to them. You're going to help these people get a result. And people are going to be yearning because they're going to say, your story is my story. Your story is my story. I can't tell you how many times I've heard that as a coach. People say, your story is my story. I'm talking about conversational cash, how to talk to people and get them to beg you almost to take their money. This is the Get Client First training in the Intake to Income program, where I am teaching you how to build your infrastructure so that you can get paid and not played. And if you'll do this right here, this is pure gold right here. Now here's your 6-week client experience plan. Okay, 6-week client experience plan. Okay, Here it is right here. Week number 1. Identify 12 women with powerful untold stories. Just take your time, identify 12, and then you're going to need to figure out how you want to talk to them, get your 12. You might want to get 15 because 3 or 4 might fall off, okay? Interview them on Zoom. That's week number 2. It's 10 to 15 minutes. It don't have to be long. Then publish their stories on YouTube. Get your YouTube channel up. Get your banner up there. Get it all up there. You're a best-selling author now, right? You're an international best-selling author, right? Then put that banner up there because you've done something a bunch of people would never do. Then publish their stories on your channel. Compile their short story into an ebook. Use that ebook with a strong introduction, compile into an ebook with a strong intro, and then use these testimonies as social proof that you can help somebody else publish a book. You can help somebody else become a bestseller. And then make your offer to the next level and expect maybe 2, 3, or 4 of the 12 to go to the next level. They all won't, but your next level is going to be a higher level experience. You see that right there? But this is going to be like a 6-week thing. This ain't going to take you forever, but you got to get your head right when you do this project. All right. Okay. Now, number 6, let's go. What you get from this model: experience of running a group, exposure via YouTube plus ebook, expertise that builds credibility, evidence, testimonials, economy, even free can lead to paid. Even if the 12 people was in your program for free, but I don't suggest you do it free. I suggest that you do some kind of dollar amount. If it ain't but 47, 97, 197, put some dollar amount in there. People pay attention to what they pay for, okay? But you're going to get a whole lot out of that right there. That's going to be like dope right there. Fire, okay? All right, let's go a little further. Don't wait for clients, create them. There you go. Don't be sitting around there, I ain't got nothing. And you just want to do this because you want to help some people, okay? This is training, marketing, and fulfillment all in one, okay? The offer pathway from free interview, published testimonial, coaching call, enrollment. There it is right there. You see that right there? You're just going to move them through your process. And once you do this 1 time, 2 times, you're going to be on your way. All right. Now, let me tell you who's done it. Rosie Thames. You should go out on YouTube. I should put that testimonial here somewhere. You'll see it. We'll figure out a way for you to get it. Rosie's done it quite well. Several other people have done it and done it quite well. Final encouragement. You have what it takes. Don't wait to be perfect. Start where you are. Speak to who you love. Serve with your whole heart. And I'm here to tell you, you'll be on your way in a big time and in a major way. Okay. This is a training, intake to income training. And this is where I'm talking about conversational cash. Conversational cash, how to talk to people and get them to beg you to take their money. I'm Dr. Fred Jones, and I want you to know that this is a model that anyone can do. And if you are listening to this and you're in my training, I want to encourage you to put this together. And those that are in my mastermind, those that are in my intake to income program, this is a project that would serve you and help you build your business because you're launching and moving them forward to a next level. And that's how you can create clients and get paid and not played. Okay, paid and not played. And for those of you who are in my intake to income, I will be giving you this companion, and this is the workbook training, and I can get that to you upon request. I'll get that to you upon request. Okay, so I'm Dr. Fred Jones, reminding you the most expensive thing you'll ever pay is attention to the wrong people. Make that list of 12, 15, or 20 people and get started, and make it only a 6-week deal. Make it only a 6-week deal. Don't make it too long. If you make it too long, that's not good. That's not good. Bye-bye. Oh boy. Yes.